Hi, in this video I want to go over a couple of new Google Doc features, and the biggest one that I'm going to concentrate on is this new drop-down feature. So you'll see that there's actually a couple of preset drop-downs like project status and review status. I'm going to show you how that works, and also here under table that there's actually table templates that incorporate those drop downs. Let's go ahead, since we're in the table templates, you'll see here under the insert menu, let's use this review tracker. So if you pull that in, you'll see that it incorporates those drop downs that I was just saying. So this could be used in all different ways. Like in the classroom, for example, you might even give students various parts of the project that they need to do, like outline. And then after the outline, they're going to do draft 1, and then they're going to do revisions, and then they're going to do draft 2, and maybe they use this to track their progress. Maybe that's their way of communicating with you when they've done something. Maybe you don't like not started, in progress, under review, approved. Maybe you want to edit one of those options. You can go down here to the add edit options, and you could change what this actual review status template look like. I'm going to show you how you can make ones of your own too if you don't want something that's pre-made in here. But that's how you would work on that. You can add more options here, and you can also adjust the colors. So let me cancel that. This could also be really great for students who are doing a group project. They can assign one another different sections of things that they need to do, and then they can use the drop downs, of course, to check in with their teammates to update them on progress. So let's go ahead and look at how we would maybe make one of these drop down sets of our own. So I'm going to just go ahead and delete these ones, and I'm going to make one of my own and fill it in. So go down here, insert, drop down, and let's go ahead and instead of using the review status one that's already here, let's create a new drop down. Let's make this called student progress. So let's start with red, not started, do yellow, currently working on, and then green is submitted. Let's say we only need those 3 options. Go ahead and save it. And so there it is. And you could just actually copy and paste this same drop down into all 4 places like that. Or you can, of course, go over here to insert, drop down, and just use that student progress one to fill it in. So it's really simple. You can use it for anything. You don't need to put it only in a table. You can put that drop down anywhere you are. So I can just put it right here in the middle of text if I wanted to have a drop down in the middle of some text field. One shortcut that I want to share too is that instead of going up here to the menu every time, the at menu is a pretty new feature. So when you use at, you can see all these options here. You can see building blocks here, which allows you to insert meeting notes. I did a video about that before. Email drafts, I did a video about that before too. And then the product roadmap and the review tracker are tables like that one there. You'll have access to some files that were recent files that you may have edited, and you can click on these arrows to expand and get even more options. Let me scroll down. You'll see that you can easily insert checklists, numbered lists, bullet lists. It's just an easy way to get to pretty much everything, to insert media, today's date, if you want to just put today's date quickly in there. It's also a quick way to get to your headings. If you have a calendar event and you want to insert the details of that calendar event, you can choose it there. Scrolling down, you'll see page numbers here. Then you'll see the tables, like I was saying. You can insert a horizontal line, a table of contents, a bookmarks. And at the very bottom, you'll find the drop down. The last thing I'm going to say, since we're here, is I'm an equation person as a math teacher, right? Something that's newer that you might not know about is you can go into view and you can show equation toolbar, and you can keep that actually toggled on if you're using equations a lot to type, and that is a little bit faster to just do that new equation right there, and it's always in your toolbar there. But now with this at menu, you can also do at and just start typing equation, and boom, you'll be able to start typing your equation. So that's how the at menu works. Shortcut. So you do at, like say heading 1, and then you have your heading 1 style. At, you want to insert a table, boom, now you choose how you want that table to look. At, you want a bulleted list, enter, and you have your bulleted list, and you can type. Though, let me tell you another shortcut while we're at it. Shift, asterisk, space, you got some bullet points. All right, I want to keep this quick as a quick tip. I hope you picked up some tips here, not just for drop downs, but also that at menu to quickly insert things is really great. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.